What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all how I create my own clip-ins and style my tapered cut hairstyle. So y'all know I recently cut my hair and I recently got it recut into this really funky tapered style. Shout out to my new barber Tamara at Clipper Doll on Instagram, y'all. Check her out. So yeah, I'm going to be showing y'all how I create some clip-ins and the method that I'm going to be using. Video, you can use this for any type of clip-in hair that you have. But yeah, so let's just hop straight into the video. What's up, y'all? So the best part about this tutorial is this is hair that I picked up from my local beauty supply store, so you don't have to wait around to get any bundles to do this. You could go and use some hair from your local beauty supply store and achieve this style. So this is the hair that I use. So it is by the brand Sensational, and it is their customized for variety line, and it is their 100% Peruvian virgin REMI. It is in the curl pattern Corkscrew, and it is in the 10-inch. The color of this hair is in a natural black, which essentially is more so like a 1B to like 2. So this is the hair right out of the pack, and it really just looks like some kinky curly hair. But I saw this on a mannequin head at the beauty supply store, and when you start to like comb through the hair, it starts to look more and more natural. So I was like, oh, this would blend in perfectly with my hair. So I'm going to make some clip-ins for this so that I don't have to like sew this hair in. So the first thing you're going to need is some hair, of course. This is the hair that I'm using. And then you're going to need some clips. So these are the clips that I picked up. Let's see if y'all can. Most beauty supply stores carry them. You probably have to ask them because they keep them behind the counter because they're so small. But yeah, this pack was like $3 and it came with like 10 in it. So $3 for 10 clips is not bad. So I got 2 packs because I'm not really sure of the length that I'm going to be doing the clip-ins for. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is measure out the size of the track that you want for your spacing, right? So I know that, y'all, look how I cut my hair. I cut my hair. I had some clip-ins the other day and I was styling my hair and girl, cut it. Anyway, my hair is currently still wet, so I don't want to do too much manipulation to it. So I measure like, okay, I want from here to here. So you measure out that space, and then that's the amount of track that you're going to cut. So then you're just going to cut that piece of track, and then this is now going to be your new clip-in. All right. I always open up my clips because there have been times where I didn't open up my clips and then I'll get the whole clip-in sewn down and then I can't use it because the clip-in is sewn on backwards. So make sure you open up your clip just to ensure that you are clipping it on the right side. So then you just want to take and place it. You want your clip-ins to be on each end, and if it's a longer clip-in, like if you're doing one for your full head, I don't have any hair back there, so but if I did have hair back there, it would be multiple clips, because you don't want the tracks to just be hanging. So you want to put 2 clips. So I'm going to put a clip here, and then I'm going to put a clip here. So the clips have holes at the top, and then they have holes on the side. So I'm going to be using this hole and this hole, the top 2 corner holes, and I'm going to be sewing this clip in right onto that. So you want to make sure that your comb is on the outside, so that when you put your clip in, you can just clip it down and then close it. So I have my thread here, and then this is my needle. I'm using a curved needle and thread, nylon thread that both I picked up from my local beauty supply store. Just this much thread. There's the needle. There's the end of the thread. So the way that I tie the end of my thread is I try to make sure that both sides are even. So you got the both sides there. And then I just take the thread and I mesh it together. And then I wrap it around my index finger. And then I form an X. I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay, camera focus. Okay, so you can see the X. So yeah. And then I just roll the thread up. And then I pull it down. Pull it down, and then you got a knot. Okay, so this is what the back of your track is going to look like. You can't see anything because your clip is on your other side. This is how the back's going to look. And then all you want to do is go through. Should I turn back on this side so you guys can see the hole? You just want to take and go through the hole here in the top left corner, ensuring that you're going through the track. Pull it through. Make sure that your thread is taut. And then you want to go through that hole approximately 3 to 4 times, because you want to ensure that it is not going to come off. So yes, just going back and forth through the hole, like I said, approximately 3 times. Okay, so the last time you go through the hole, the last time that I normally go through the hole, I will take the thread and I'll go around the needle twice, and then I'll hold that piece of thread down there, and then I'll just pull the needle through. And this forms its own knot. Okay, so now that part of the clip-in is sewn on, I just take my thread and I'll cut it at a length that I can still tie knots in. And then I'll just proceed with tying it in a knot, maybe 2 or 3 times more, just to ensure that the clip-in is not coming off. And cut away all of your fray ends. From the other side, same thing.